Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I feel like I have been waiting for this, but today we are going to talk about summer fashion and we are going to talk about colors. How to style colors for summer, how to think when you put together an outfit when you want a lot of colors. And remember, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Outfit number one. So the first thing I want to talk about when it comes to colors is I would say as a stylist, most of my customers, they think that the best color to combine with another color, like bright color, they always assume that black is the best color to combine with the bright color, but that's not the case, because what happens then is that the black will sort of take out the color from the color, if that makes any sense. So if you want your colors to actually be bright, to look so, you know, wow, and be the theme of the whole outfit, then go for some neutrals, or for example for white, or even better, go for another color. In my first look, I have combined this beautiful summer dress in blue, light blue, with the pink, and here I think this combination is so beautiful already as it is, and I want to keep it light, I want to keep it bright, I want to keep it so summery, so that's why we have only white accessories in this combination. And also the white matches the white in the dress, the flowers in the dress, so now we actually have the white in 3 different places on our body, and that, you know, is one of my style rules, that you should always have one of your colors should be on 3 places on your body to make the whole outfit more balanced. For our second look, we have this cute little yellow skirt together with a crop top, and as I have always said in my previous videos, if you're not into crop tops, if you don't feel comfortable wearing a crop top, when I wear, for example, a white crop top, you could easily switch this one out to a white t-shirt, just a white basic t-shirt. So always remember that because sometimes I get comments like, I could never wear that, I could never wear a crop top, but you can only change it so easily and then wear the rest of the look. Okay, so here we have the yellow and we have the pink, and for this look the tip here is that if you, for example, want to wear 2 colors, then for example wear a lot of the same color in several places. Like here we have yellow in both the bag and in the skirt. But then the second color should be the main color, and we will have only one of these. So for this, only one pink blazer, or like one place of pink. For the third look, we went for 3 different tones of yellow and orange. And why I wanted to show you this kind of way to style colors is because think about the forest, think about the sea. The water is never the same blue in all the places. It's darker somewhere, it's lighter somewhere. Same with the forest. If the sun is shining on some places of the forest, it's a one green. Where it's not shining, it's another green. So this is why this looks so harmonious, and is one way of thinking when you are matching colors together. But then make sure to keep the rest of the look very neutral. We only have the blue jeans, we have a neutral bag, just to not make it scream too much. With the fourth look, we decided to go for the combination of pastel colors and something more bright. This will give a nice contrast to the pastel, it will make it just more interesting to look at, and this combination of yellow and orange, I would definitely say that, which you also might have noticed in this video so far, is that I'm crazy about both yellow and orange this season, and they just look so good together. For our fifth outfit, we have 3 different colors in one look. This is definitely a color blocking outfit, and I would say keep it simple. You have these 3 colors, don't mix in too much of anything else. Just keep it like this. This will look so cool, it looks so interesting, but still everything goes so well together. For our final and last look, we have a all white outfit. You know I love all white outfits, but then a touch of bright color in this green crop top. And this is also one way of thinking when you are getting dressed in color. Go for example, all white, and then have one piece that is just the main thing of the whole outfit. Here you could also switch out the shoes to a color, but then I would go for the exact same color as in the top to make this one look good, and I don't have that, so for me it's the white shoes this time. That's what I had for you today. Hope you liked this video. Remember to give it thumbs up and let me know your favorite outfit in the comments field down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. See ya!